In this episode, we will be showing the main attractions of Ushuaia, the city itself, flight cost, where to stay, where to eat, and much more. Let's start with the first thing. The flight from Buenos Aires to Ushuaia starts from $160 to $250. But if you come from another country, Ushuaia has an international airport, so you can take a direct flight. Hotels and accommodations in general start at $40, but we show you Hotel Canal de Beagle, where we stayed, which costs $160 or more in a double room, with excellent amenities, very good food, and an excellent view of the Beagle Channel. As for the restaurant, we recommend Calma Resto, which has a wide variety of seafood, as well as side dishes as you are used to eating. Prices range from $38 to $80 per person. It is worth trying the food here. Here we are on the Beagle Channel. The cost of a navigation is $120 per person. A breathtaking waterway at the southern tip of South America. This stunning region is not only a paradise for adventurers, but also a haven for diverse wildlife. One of the most iconic sights here are the sea lions. These playful creatures can often be seen lounging on the rocky shores of Sea Lion Island, soaking up the sun and barking to communicate with each other. Bird enthusiasts will be thrilled by the variety of seabirds. Cormorants, with their striking black and white plumage, are a common sight. Watch as they dive into the water to catch fish or nest on the rugged cliffs. And who could forget the charming penguins? These adorable birds can be spotted on Martial Island, waddling along the shore and diving into the icy waters. The Beagle Channel is a treasure trove of natural wonders, from the playful sea lions to the elegant albatross. Every moment here is a reminder of the beauty and diversity of our planet. Here we re on the southernmost city in the world, nestled between the majestic Andes Mountains and the Beagle Channel. This enchanting city is often referred to as the end of the world. As we wander through the charming streets of Ushuaia, you'll notice the vibrant colors of the buildings, each telling a story of the city's rich history and culture. Surrounded by the towering Andes, Ushuaia offers breathtaking views at every turn. The snow-capped peaks create a dramatic backdrop that is simply awe-inspiring. Ushuaia is a city of contrasts, where the rugged wilderness meets the comforts of modern life. Join us as we uncover the secrets of this extraordinary place. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more adventures. Tierra del Fuego National Park, the cost of ticket is $12. A pristine wilderness at the southernmost tip of Argentina. This park is a haven for nature lovers, offering breathtaking landscapes and a rich variety of wildlife. Our journey begins at the end of the World Train Station, located just 8 kilometers west of Ushuaia. This historic train follows the same route that prisoners took over a century ago to gather wood for the town and the prison. As we embark on this scenic ride, the train winds through the lush forests of the Pipo River Valley. The views from the train are simply spectacular, with towering trees and the distant Andes Mountains. The train ride offers a unique perspective of the park, passing by stunning landscapes that are otherwise inaccessible. It's a journey through time and nature, all in one. Ushuaia is one of our favorite places in the whole. We hope you enjoy this video. Like and comment so we can continue creating new content for you. Tell us which part of Ushuaia is more beautiful for you. See you soon.